Hey people, just now the video that I made was only 40 seconds long, but I realized that when I make a 60-second long video, I get to choose the frame that I want as a cover picture, and less than 1 minute becomes a short, right? So then shorts are not, I don't know, they are not really promoted, I think, or what, I'm not sure. But anyway, so today was like a busy day for me. I had pretty much 2 classes and 1 reading, energy reading. So and that is my rabbit. These are my rabbits. The last time I featured these rabbits, I got like 600 views on that particular video. It's pretty late. It's 7 in the evening. I don't normally record so late in the evening, but I just feel I have to upload the videos. So that's what these days eye healing classes are kind of keeping me busy, but I like being busy. It's just amazing. It's just beautiful. So these 2 white rabbits are girl rabbits, and that one at the back is a brown rabbit. It's a boy rabbit. So that is the update from my rabbits.